koutou, kia ora. My name is Vanessa.
And more out today, WINTON School. I'm Chloe. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Ramere, the 24th of July.
Happy, joy, it's Friday. The holidays are such a distant memory already.
Cheer up, e te tau, and ho, it's Saturday.
Right on. And Ramere is one of my favourite days. Hot chocolate, sausage sizzle, and library day.
You know it, girl. I can't wait to get there and browse around for some sweet weekend reading.
And remember, you have 1 week to get those book club orders into the office.
Support the library. Orders in by next Thursday, please.
Kia ora. Okay, on to te kupu o te wiki. This week's word is e te tau,
which is te reo for darling, as in haramai e te tau. Come here, my darling.
No. Okay, my students are doing the right thing and wearing their high-vis vests to and from school. Please do likewise.
Choir news. Everyone to the hall at interval please for 2 quick songs and a notice.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
And school council, you know what day it is. 1 o'clock in the group room. Kia ora.
Mr. T's problem solving team. Meet in the group room at 12:40 please.
Only one birthday at WINTON School today. Hunter Cotton turns 12.
Whoop whoop, double treat night. Happy birthday Hunter, have a good one.
And that's all for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team. Ka kite a te wiki.
Stay clean, stay dry, and have a fabulous week in WINTON School.